Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to switch from Chrome OS Flex to Chrome OS with Play Store integration. If you've been looking to make the switch for a more feature-rich experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Before making the switch, ensure all your important data is backed up. This can include bookmarks, documents, and any other files you may need. Visit the provided Chrome OS download link in the description, navigate to the download section, select the suitable version for your device, and then click on the download button. Once the download is finished, open File Explorer and then go to Downloads and extract the downloaded file. Double-click on the file to open it, and then drag and drop the file into the Downloads folder. Once you are done, open Settings and navigate to Advanced, and then Developers. Linux Development Environment. Click Turn On. Click Next and choose a custom size. Click on Install. Now, download Balena Etcher to create a bootable USB drive from the link provided in the description below. Navigate to the Assets section and proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, open the File Manager, right-click on the Downloads directory, and select Share with Linux. Now in the terminal, change the directory to the downloads by entering the command cd /mnt/chromeos/myfiles/downloads and press Enter. Once done, now install Balena Etcher by entering the command sudo apt install . Now copy the file name and paste it into the terminal, then press Enter. Continue by typing yes and pressing Enter. Now close everything and open Balena Etcher from the menu. Insert the USB drive. Open Settings, navigate to Advanced, Developers, Linux Development Environment, and Manage USB Devices. Turn on the setting and click Continue. Once done, close the settings, go back to Balena Etcher, and then click on Flash from File. Navigate to the Downloads directory and choose the Chrome OS file you downloaded earlier. Now, select the USB drive and click on Flash. After completing the flashing process, restart your computer and launch the boot menu by pressing the Escape, F12, or F10 keys, depending on the motherboard or computer's manufacturer. Select USB from the boot menu. Click on Get Started and connect to the internet. Select Browse as Guest and click on Accept and Continue. Now in guest mode, press Ctrl Alt F2 to open the TTY2 terminal. Type Chronos and press Enter to login. Before continuing, you will need to determine the target disk for installation. There are several ways to find this information. In my example, I'll be using the command lsblke7. This command will display your disks, their partitions, and their sizes. In my case, SDA is the disk to install the Chrome OS, so enter the command sudo chrome os-install-dst/dev/sda. Press Enter. Type yes and press Enter. After completing the installation, press Ctrl, Alt, and F1 to exit the terminal. Restart your computer. After restarting, complete a few basic tasks, such as connecting to the internet, logging into your Google account, changing display and text settings, and choosing themes. Congratulations! You've successfully switched from Chrome OS Flex to Chrome OS. Enjoy the streamlined experience and enhanced features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.